Well, we got some news coming out here at 8:30, and in the meantime, euro dollar's trapped in this 20 pip range here. Ever since the sell-off last night, when it came up on this 1 hour, came up and just nicked that top, and then we came down, and then we came all the way back up. Actually, we came down first, and then we went back up there. That was kind of a crazy ride there. Came here, and then you would think it was going to bounce again, but I'm using my triple screen trading right now. Basically 3 time frames. Of course, you can go to the weekly here, but I don't know. Daily works. Here is the turn. So I want to get in right here on the bounce off this top. And on the 4 hour, it looks like this. You have a nice support here. So we're just trapped in this thing waiting for some Empire State News. The whole world's in a depression. But amazingly, the stock market defies it all and continues to go up. So after this breakout, after they grab the breakout traders from this point, they ripped it all the way back to this top, became a bottom, so the bulls would get in at this top here that became the bottom on the 4 hour. And now we're coming up into Vaporland. The all-time high on the stock market was just unbelievable. Defies anything. I mean, for companies that are closing their doors, price of employment's up. The lowest unemployment claims in 15 years. Doesn't mean anything. There's still 240,000 people filing for unemployment. 240,000 people. What does that mean? It should be like 1,000 people, right? Why are people getting laid off? What's going on? So if this is going to climax up in here, and how much further can they push that? Making records on the stock market. And here's the monthly euro dollar. Huh? What? Yeah, geez. I think we're coming back to here. $1.22. Yeah. Maybe not today, but... So, the next few hours here, we're just caught in this trap here. So I'm just scalping up and down, up and down. And earlier there was this attempt to take out this bar on the 1 hour. Just couldn't do it. Came all the way up to there and came flying back down again. So we're just up and down, up and down. So I'm buying on pullbacks here as we come back into the fold. Just keep coming back up and down, up and down, up and down, and then eventually up. Eventually up, take out the high of the day, and go stampeding towards the this resistance up here, the high of the week, and see, we just came within 5 pips of that high there, and it backed off. So that was a nice place to sell resistance and buy support. It really does work. But now we're just looking for the pullback, waiting for the pullback. So top of the hour there should be some shenanigans. I'm thinking a retest of down here. So I want to buy this plungeola. I think it's going to be a psycho plunge to this big round handle. There's a high probability of that. So I put orders in all the way down deep. So now wait till the top of the hour, come back. Well, here comes the massive correction. So I'm buying into this. And I'm going to get in on top of it with stops. Top of the hour. Big market maker move here. Big washout. I'm stacking up on top of that. I'm buying into it. I'm buying that bottom. And that's how they do it. 15 pips in 5 minutes. Real classic. Got buy stops above this. Got 1 minute left. I gotta hunt down all these balls. So I just buy into that. Now you could have sold the break out of that. Kind of scary because you had to take your money and run. Looks pretty short-lived. Okay. So this is going to give us that deep discount before the rally. And top of the hour is coming. Here's the 1 hour chart. They had to go after this. Let's stop down there. Spent too much time treading water sideways there. Way too much time. Okay, there you go. Top of the hour. Looking for the psycho reverse. Now that we've grabbed all those stops. Okay, while news is coming out, come back. Now, bond market's going to open up here in about 5 seconds. Okay, the bond market just opened, so this is always a good time to see a retrace back up into where the bottom dropped out of this channel. A lot of short covering there on the and then you're 10 minutes from the news. So sometimes what you see here on a Friday is it comes down and breaks out this channel, then it comes back to here, then it actually goes right through, cuts back all the way through the top. So that's my trade plan for today is buy low, sell high. First target exits here where the bottom dropped out, and then leave some on the table for a follow through to go after this, and then take out that whole high. So it's not big news, but it is news coming out. It's this Empire State Manufacturing, and this is kind of bizarre that previously it was negative 1.2 and they're estimating 5.1. It's kind of nutty. I actually heard an advertisement on the radio that said that time to hurry up and buy commercial real estate because that's the next boom market. I'm like, really? You're kidding. Commercial real estate? Like, people are just working out of their house. Commercial real estate. You know I know how expensive that is compared to a normal real estate. And then here's another one that kills me. This consumer sentiment that comes out of Ann Arbor. Really? 95%? It's always good. You know, people are just generally optimistic. So it's pretty funny. Okay, I'm looking for this short squeeze here back up into this. And we still got the news coming out. So we'll come back at the bottom of the hour. And hopefully by the bottom of the hour, we're back to here. I'll get some serious, throw some hope at the market. And if not, I'm a buyer all the way to China. I got news in 1 minute, and we're starting to get a rally off of this bottom here. It's kind of bizarre. Double bottom on the 5 minute. And the first exit's going to be up here. And then it's could be a possible smash down in here another 20 pips. So I'm always looking for that entry too. Okay, 30 seconds of news, I think. My clock's a little off here. This clock's a little bit fast, I think. And on the 1 hour, the little bottom there, first target. I'm looking to take out this triple top here. Those 3 bars on the 1 hour. I just go zooming up and just to rip your face off rally here. Okay, there you go. News should be out right now. Okay, every man for himself. And I guess whether that's good news or bad news wouldn't matter to me so much. It's just the fact that it's unfair price down here, and fair price would be where the bottom dropped out. And I'm just looking for it to cut to here. I would take some profits here, and then maybe put a buy limit back down at this top inside the bottom. And ideally, we just go blowing through this top here. So that's going to take some time. So we'll come back when the Dow opens. All right, well, the news has been out for 4 minutes here. I've got more news coming out in like 40 minutes here. It's kind of funny, the high expectations that these people have. Industrial production, minus 0.6. They're looking for 0.1. Wow, they're always saying it's going to be better. Here they went flat. Oh, it'll be about the same. So we just came out with this Empire State Manufacturing. They're looking for a 5. They got a 3.1. Ouch. You can't even, don't even know, right? Let's see how the Dow Jones is taking the news. Oof. So this is the triple top, and yeah, I don't know. You really buying up here? That's the daily. Wow. Scary. Okay, here comes the euro, about 10 pips from my target. I can just get back, climb back up that hill. Let's see. Okay, well, let's see what happens. To come back to that drama. About 2 minutes before the top of the hour. Looks like we did come back to this entry, so I bought more down here. So we just caught in this 10 pip trap here, about 12 pip trap here. And they tried to take it down and blow out this bottom here. They just couldn't do it. Definitely the low risk place to get in is down here. So now I'm looking for it to scream up. I was looking for it to scream up earlier, but that's what I wanted to have happen. Of course, the market has to kind of consolidate and all this zigzag nonsense here. So top of the hour is coming, and then 15 minutes after the hour, they're going to come out with some more news, and then the Dow Jones is going to open. So right now, the Dow Jones is selling off. All right, 30 seconds to the news here, and we just broke out. We're just about to break out. Come slamming back to here, and hopefully get some follow through on that. Well, the news is out. I took profits at that previous thing, and I'm reloading for a pullback. And then the Dow Jones is going to open. There should be another psycho stop hunt coming into that. So I'm buying the pullback on the 5 minute here, coming back in, and when the Dow opens, I'm expecting it to crash. I'm expecting this to be the all-time high in the stock market. That's my prediction.